Welcome to our special investigative report on two popular financial management methods, mortgage acceleration and credit line banking. Let's start by understanding mortgage acceleration. This method involves using a home equity line of credit, HELOC, or HELOC, as a risky first lien line of credit against your home. On the other hand, credit line banking takes a more holistic and thorough approach. Rather than focusing solely on the HELOC, it conducts a complete forensic analysis of all financial elements unique to an individual situation. Our investigative team set out to compare companies that advertise mortgage acceleration with the first lien HELOC against Truth in Equity's credit line banking. We conducted interviews with clients who had tried both methods, as well as salespersons promoting these strategies. Additionally, we analyzed marketing materials and methods employed by these companies. We also thoroughly studied online reviews and complaints from customers who had experiences with these financial management companies. We paid particular attention to the effectiveness scores given to each company. Truth in Equity's distinctive approach, credit line banking, stood out by a significant margin. What we found was staggering. While most companies advocated mortgage acceleration and first lien HELOCs, Truth in Equity stood out for its unique approach. Instead of offering a one-size-fits-all solution, they conducted in-depth forensic analyses for each individual, creating a tailored plan that best suited their specific financial landscape. The results were eye-opening. Truth in Equity's effective scores were consistently and significantly higher than all of its competitors. In fact, the scores of other companies were 67% lower on average than those of Truth in Equity. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the clients who have benefited from Truth in Equity's credit line banking. We were skeptical at first, but Truth in Equity's detailed approach turned my financial situation around. Credit line banking has given us the freedom and independence to do what we want when we want. Instead of chasing due dates, we live the life we deserve. We now have a clear roadmap to reach our goals on our terms. Their plan was tailored specifically to me, taking into account my unique circumstances. I can't thank them enough for their expertise. Truth in Equity's credit line banking is a much more thorough financial solution compared to our first lien line of credit approach. I've been in the financial services industry for 23 years, and our approach really only works if you have a huge surplus of income at the end of the month. Truth in Equity tailors a plan that anyone who earns an income, has bills, and wants a better plan. In conclusion, our deep investigative dive into mortgage acceleration and credit line banking has shown that Truth in Equity's approach stands head and shoulders above the rest. While mortgage acceleration may be enticing, credit line banking offers a more comprehensive, individualized solution. Thank you for joining us on this revealing journey. Remember, when it comes to your financial future, it's essential to make informed decisions. Seek expert advice and consider a company like Truth in Equity that takes the time to understand your unique financial landscape. Until next time, stay informed and stay financially empowered. This has been an AI study triggered by Google Analytics reporting a high volume of searches for financial solutions induced by an out-of-control economic shitstorm.